Question 1. Which country will host the 2034 FIFA World Cup? Option A, Saudi Arabia. Option B, Brazil. Option C, Russia. Option D, Qatar. Answer A, Saudi Arabia. Question 2. Infant mortality rate is the number of infants per thousand who die before reaching dash years of age. Option A, 3. Option B, 1. Option C, 2. Option D, 6. Answer B, 1. Question 3. In August 2025, India launched its first artificial intelligence powered Anganwadi at which location, marking a major advancement in early childhood education? Option A, Piparia village, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Khargon village, Maharashtra. Option C, Vadamna village, Nagpur district, Maharashtra. Option D, Dharampur village, Gujarat. Answer C, Vadamna village, Nagpur district, Maharashtra. Question 4. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution automatically suspends the fundamental rights during emergencies? Option A, 359. Option B, 356. Option C, 352. Option D, 358. Answer D, 358. Question 5. The Chennai port is located along which of the following water bodies? Option A, Andaman Sea. Option B, Arabian Sea. Option C, Bay of Bengal. Option D, Gulf of Mannar. Answer C, Bay of Bengal. Question 6. Who among the following is credited with the composition of a text called Gatha Saptasati or Saptasati? Option A, Srimukha. Option B, Hala. Option C, Gautamiputra. Option D, Satakarni 1. Answer B, Hala. Question 7. On 3rd June 2025, India secured the presidency of which international organization, defeating Austria with 87 out of 141 votes? Option A, United Nations Public Administration Network UNPAN. Option B, Global Institute of Governance and Public Administration GIGPA. Option C, Commonwealth Association for Public Administration CAPA. Option D, International Institute of Administrative Sciences IIAS. Answer D, International Institute of Administrative Sciences. Question 8. On 3rd March 2025, the world observed World Wildlife Day with which theme? Option A, Recovering Key Species for Ecosystem Restoration. Option B, Forests and Livelihoods, Sustaining People and Planet. Option C, Wildlife Conservation Finance, Investing in People and Planet. Option D, Partnerships for Wildlife Conservation. Answer C, Wildlife Conservation Finance, Investing in People and Planet. Question 9. Which of the following is not a component of essential maternal pair? Option A, supplementation of iron and folic acid. Option B, tetanus immunization. Option C, education on breastfeeding practices. Option D, intrauterine insemination. Answer D, intrauterine insemination. Question 10. What was the ranking of India in the Sustainable Development Goals SDG Index according to the 2025 edition of the Sustainable Development Report released in June 2025? Option A, 121. Option B, 106. Option C, 99. Option D, 114. Answer C, 99. Question 11. In August 2025, which facility was inaugurated by the Chief of the Army Staff, General Upendra Dwivedi, at IIT Madras to bridge academic research and military needs? Option A, Project Sambhav Secure Army Mobile Lab. Option B, Bharat Military Technology Incubation Hub. Option C, Agni Shodh, the Indian Army Research Cell, IARC. Option D, Defense Innovation and Technology Research Center. Answer C, Agni Shodh, the Indian Army Research Cell. Question 12. Which of the following is not a direct tax? Option A, income tax. Option B, tax on capital gains. Option C, corporate tax. Option D, value added tax VAT. Answer D, value added tax VAT. Question 13. Gharana Parampara is found in which of the following? Option A, Karnataka classical music. Option B, Hindustani classical music. Option C, Hindustani folk music. Option D, Karnataka folk music. Answer B, Hindustani classical music. Question 14. Which of the following zones lies between low and high tide in sea margins? Option A, foreshore. Option B, shoreline. Option C, near shore. Option D, tidal zone. Answer A. Foreshore. Question 15. Who among the following was the Prime Minister of India when India launched its Chandrayaan 2 mission? Option A. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Option B. P.V. Narasimha Rao. Option C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option D. Narendra Modi. Answer D. Narendra Modi. Question 16. In MS Excel 2019, what is the maximum column width that can be set and what does it represent? Option A 409 represents the number of visible characters possible in a zoomed out view. Option B 255 represents the number of characters in the default font that fit in a cell. Option C 255 represents pixels based on the monitor resolution. Option D 32,767 represents the maximum number of characters storable in a cell. Answer B. 255 represents the number of characters in the default fonts that fit in a cell. Question 17. In a terrestrial ecosystem, green plants capture approximately what percentage of solar energy falling on their leaves? Option A 10%, option B 1%, option C 5%, option D 0.01%. Answer B. 1%. Question 18. What is the percentage of population living in cities referred to as? Option A. Growth rate. Option B. Population density. Option C. Urbanization. Option D. Crude birth rate. Answer C. Urbanization. Question 19. In the context of operating systems, what does PCB stand for? Option A. Process control block. Option B. Printed circuit board. Option C. Program control board. Option D. Permanent code buffer. Answer A. Process control block. Question 20. As part of an initiative of the Union Government, the NCCF started selling onions through mobile vans in Mumbai during September 2025 at subsidized rates. What does NCCF stand for? Option A. National Consumer Confederation for Food. Option B. National Cooperative Consumers Federation of India. Option C. National Cooperative Confederation for Food Supplies. Option D. National Consumer Cooperative for Food Distribution. Answer B. National Cooperative Consumers Federation of India. Question 21. In July 2025, the Indian Army began restructuring single-arm brigades into integrated combat units, combining infantry, tanks, artillery, engineers, UAVs, and special forces. What are these units called? Option A. Agni Multi-Domain Combat Units. Option B. Rudra All-Arms Brigades. Option C. Vajra Integrated Battle Groups. Option D. Sena Combined Operations Brigades. Answer C. Vajra Integrated Battle Groups. Question 22. Which meristematic tissue is found at nodes and helps in regrowth of grasses? Option A. Lateral. Option B. Intercalary. Option C. Permanent. Option D. Apical. Answer B. Intercalary. Question 23. Which keyboard shortcut allows you to quickly delete the word to the left of the cursor in MS Word 2019? Option A. Control Backspace. Option B. Shift Backspace. Option C. Alt Backspace. Option D. Control Delete. Answer A. Control Backspace. Question 24. In the substitution of methane with chlorine, sunlight is required to Option A. Initiate free radical formation. Option B. Absorb chlorine. Option C. Provide heat. Option D. Prevent oxidation. Answer A. Initiate free radical formation. Question 25. Which keyboard shortcut allows you to open the Open dialog box in MS PowerPoint 2019 for selecting a file to open? Option A. Control O. Option B. Shift O. Option C. Alt O. Option D. Control Shift O. Answer A. Control O. Question 26. India's North Central Railway Zone's headquarters is located in Option A. Jabalpur. Option B. Prayagraj. Option C. Jaipur. Option D. Bilaspur. Answer B. Prayagraj. Question 27. Who among the following was the Chola conqueror of Ganga? Option A. Rajaraja I. Option B. Rajendra I. Option C. Aditya. Option D. Vijayalaya. Answer B. Rajendra I. Question 28. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the suspension of the enforcement of fundamental rights during a national emergency? Option A. Article 357. Option B. Article 356. Option C. Article 358. Option D. Article 359. Answer D. Article 359. Question 29. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Kanya Sumangala Yojana? Option A. Madhya Pradesh. Option B. Uttar Pradesh. Option C. Rajasthan. Option D. Haryana. Answer B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 30. In MS Excel XD 19, which feature allows you to automatically correct common typing errors? Option A. Autocorrect. Option B. Autotext. Option C. Autocorrect. Option D. Track changes. Answer C. Autocorrect. Question 31. In July 2025, India signed a Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement (CEPA) with which country? A. UAE, B. Australia, C. Japan, D. Canada. Answer is B. Australia. Question 32. Which of the following tissues transports food in plants? A. Xylem, B. phloem, C. cambium, D. cortex. Answer is B. phloem. Question 33. Which of the following rivers originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Narmada, D. Kaveri. Answer is C. Narmada. Question 34. The Right to Information Act was enacted in which year? A. 2004, B. 2006, C. 2005, D. 2007. Answer is C. 2005. Question 35. Which Mughal emperor built the Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri? A. Babur, B. Humayun, C. Jahangir, D. Akbar. Answer is D. Akbar. Question 36. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Question 37. In MS Excel 2019, which function is used to find the highest value in a range? A. MAX max, B. HIGH high, C. LARGE large, D. TP top. Answer is A. MAX max. Question 38. The headquarters of the International Monetary Fund (IMF) is located in A. Geneva, B. Paris, C. Washington, D.C., D. New York. Answer is C. Washington, D.C. Question 39. In which year did India win its first Cricket World Cup? A. 1975, B. 1979, C. 1983, D. 1987. Answer is C. 1983. Question 40. Which of the following is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Saturn, C. Jupiter, D. Mars. Answer is C. Jupiter. Question 41. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate according to Census 2011? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Maharashtra, C. Kerala, D. Himachal Pradesh. Answer is C. Kerala. Question 42. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? A. Liver, B. Pancreas, C. Kidney, D. Spleen. Answer is B. Pancreas. Question 43. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? A. 1940, B. 1941, C. 1942, D. 1943. Answer is C. 1942. Question 44. Which of the following is a non-metal? A. Copper, B. Aluminium, C. Sulfur, D. Iron. Answer is C. Sulfur. Question 45. In MS PowerPoint 2019, which view is best suited for rearranging slides? A. Normal view, B. Slide sorter view, C. Reading view, D. Notes page view. Answer is B. Slide sorter view. Question 46. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? A. Godavari, B. Kaveri, C. Godavari, D. Mahanadi. Answer is C. Godavari. Question 47. The Right to Information Act was enacted in which year? A. 2004, B. 2006, C. 2005, D. 2007. Answer is C. 2005. Question 48. Which Mughal emperor built the Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri? A. Babur, B. Humayun, C. Jahangir, D. Akbar. Answer is D. Akbar. Question 49. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Question 50. The headquarters of the United Nations is located in A. Geneva, B. Paris, C. New York, D. London. Answer is C. New York. Question 51. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? A. Coal, B. Petroleum, C. Natural gas, D. Solar energy. Answer is D. Solar energy. Question 52. Which Indian state is the largest producer of tea in India? A. West Bengal, B. Assam, C. Kerala, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer is B. Assam. Question 53. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? A. Root, B. Stem, C. Leaf, D. Flower. Answer is C. Leaf. Question 54. Who was the first president of independent India? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, C. Zakir Hussain, D. V.V. Giri. Answer is A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question 55. Which of the following is a vector quantity? A. Speed, B. Distance, C. Velocity, D. Mass. Answer is C. Velocity. Question 56. In MS Word 2019, which features used to send the same letter to multiple recipients with different names and addresses? A. Mail merge, B. Track changes, C. Word art, D. Smart art. Answer is A. Mail merge. Question 57. The SI unit of force is A. Joule, B. Newton, C. Watt, D. Pascal. Answer is B. Newton. Question 58. Which is the longest river in India? A. Yamuna, B. Godavari, C. Brahmaputra, D. Ganga. Answer is D. Ganga. Question 59. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Bindusara, D. Bindisara. Answer is B. Chandragupta Maurya.